Chapter 3, verse 49.
49, yes. وَيُعَلِّمُهُ الْكِتَابَ أعوذ بِاللَّهِ مِنَ الشَّيْطَانِ الرَّجِيمِ. I should read one verse before as well. قالت رب أنى يكون لي ولد ولم يمسسني بشر قال كذلك الله يخلق ما يشاء إذا قضى أمرا فإنما يقول له كن فيكون ويعلمه الكتاب والحكمة والتوراة والإنجيل ورسولا إلى بني إسرائيل أني قد جئتكم بآية من ربكم. She said, my Lord, how shall I have a son when no man...
You refer to the translation, eh?
Yes.
I thought you said she said.
No, Hadith Maryam.
Yes, that's right. Amazing. How he becomes a she. Please, yes.
The translation is, she said, my Lord, how shall I have a son when no man has touched me? He said, such is the way of Allah. He creates what he pleases. When he decrees a thing, he says to it, be, and it begins to be. And he will teach him the book and the wisdom and the Torah and the gospel, and will send him as a messenger to the children of Israel.
What is meant by al-kitab in this verse?
Yu'allimuhul
Kitab.
Yu'allimuhul kitaba wal hikmata. What is the meaning? Wat Torata wal Injil.
Wat Torata wal Injil. Kitab and Hikma. Kitab indicates the book of Sharia, and Hikma indicates the underlying philosophy of that book. Like Hazrat sallallahu alaihi wasallam is referred to as Yu'allimuhul Kitab wal Hikma. So the following verses are an explanation of the first two words. What is Kitab? At-Torah. And what is Hikma? Injil. So Injil will not the change of Sharia of al-Kitab, Torah. It will follow the Sharia of Torah but explain the underlying philosophy of Torah's injunctions. Understand? Right. Thank you for asking this, because I know many people are perplexed when they read this. When Torah and Injil are mentioned, why Kitab? And moreover, people may make any effort to find a word in the Quran which indicates that Torah was revealed by God to Moses. But in this way, in this verse, it's implied. Al-Kitab, which was the book of Moses, was revealed by God. Because it is, Al-Kitab is related to At-Torah. Understand? Please. But that, the second question is a bit implied, complicated. We better leave it. Just stick to the one which was asked.
Okay.
And also in the Quran, it indicates, Yu'allimuhumul Kitab wal Hikma. That is the Hikmah, which does not change the Kitab, but it's an explanation of the Kitab. So to say Al-Kitab wal-Hikmah here indicates that Jesus did not come to change the Sharia of Moses, which is Al-Kitab. Only came to explain it.